Alright guys, I'm sure this was going to help somebody out there. If you're familiar with working on cars, Nissans do not give you a misfire counter. So it won't give you a 301, 302, 303, 304, etc. Usually if there's a misfire, we'll throw P300, and in this case, matter of fact, this is why I mainly bring this up. It's a 4-cylinder vehicle, all 4 cylinders are under the intake manifold. So before I get in there, try everything out, here's one way you can find it. Get any scanner, hopefully every scanner. You go into generic OBD2, go to this onboard monitoring test. And I'm just going through it because I already found the issue. But what you want to do is go down to misfire data. In this case, our problem is number 2, but I'm going to show you number 1. So we're going to go to details for cylinder 1. Hit details. And you see test value 0, stand value 0, misfires during the last drive cycle. Now we're going to go to number 2. So misfire cylinder number 2. Go to details. And cylinder 2, look at that, 4,774 misfires. Let's go speed through the rest. Here's number 3, 0. Number 4 has like 270. Here's number 4. Go to details. 270. But as you can see, cylinder number 2, details on that has one of 2774. So we're gonna focus our attention on cylinder number 2. I know Nissans are super annoying for not giving you more precise information. They don't have no misfire counters as you're streaming live data. So this is the best we got. Hopefully this helps somebody.